questions, because this topic is moving trigonometry. Some questions are very important for the competitive examination. So we are doing a deep exploration. Deep exploration means if we understand the concept, so we can directly do for the objective question without solving. How? Like this question is descriptive to how to attempt in a competitive way, objective way. Cos theta cos square theta is 1. Find the sin square theta sin 4 theta. So let us use this one. Given 1 minus cos square theta. Why? Because the cos square make the identity. So we will make the cos square on this side. So cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. You know this, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Now see, sin square theta, in our question we require the sin 4 also. So let us squaring both sides. Cos square theta is equal to sin 4 theta. Now come to the question. Our question is sin square theta and sin 4 theta. Okay, properly see, cos theta is this one using the given, then cos theta 1 minus sin square theta, this is cos square theta. We are squaring both sides because we need in the question. Now see, sin square theta, so don't change the sin square theta, is this one. Sin square theta is as it is. Now sin 4 theta, what is sin 4 theta? Because we squaring the both sides, so this will be cos and this will be sin 4. So sin 4 theta is cos square theta. So answer is 1. Very simple. So now remember also, because in the objective and NTSC in lot of competitive examination you can use directly cos plus cos square is 1, so sin square plus sin 4 is 1. Okay, it means 1 degree और 1 डबल डिग्री, देन साइन की डबल डिग्री स्क्वायर देन 4 टाइम्स, तो 1 आ गया. ऐसे करके याद रखना है फॉर योर कॉम्पिटिटिव. एंड लिसन वन मोर थिंग. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन may be asked in a reverse way. How? In place of cos theta and cos square theta, it may be the sin theta plus sin square theta is 1. Now find out cos square theta and cos 4 theta. You understood? Question reverse. Sin theta plus sin square theta is 1. Find the cos square theta and cos 4. So we'll use this one again. The given sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Sin theta is equal to cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to cos square theta. How? Because we use the given 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta is cos. The squaring both sides. Why? Because we need in the question sin square theta is equal to cos 4 theta. Now what we need here? Cos 4 theta. Cos square theta will be as it is, and in place of cos 4 theta we can write sin square theta is equal to 1. Again the same answer. It means the sin plus sin square is 1, then the double degree cos square and square double 4 is 1. Similarly in the reverse way, if cos plus cos square is given 1, then sin plus sin square plus sin 4 will be 1. So this sort of the concept you should learn and do the exploration. This may become your competitive examination in future also. Thank you, student.